Good morning, students. In the previous recorded session, we discussed about our solar system. In solar system, we discussed about the universe. Our universe is Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. Then we discussed about the sun, the planets, origin of planets. Then we also discussed about the inner planets and the outer planets. In the inner planets, we discussed about Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And then we discussed about the outer planets, two planets, that is Mars and Jupiter. Sorry, it's like only the one outer planet, that is Jupiter. In this class, let us study about Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There are totally 4 outer planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So, let us study about Neptune. So, it's Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. So, which is the first planet? Mercury. And the 6th planet is Saturn. And also, it is the second largest planet of our solar system. Which is the first largest planet of our solar system? That is Jupiter. But Saturn is the second largest planet of our solar system. And how do you identify that it is Saturn? Because it is identified by its rings. Saturn has thousands and thousands of rings. As you can see in this image, there are thousands and thousands of rings, and it is made up of ice and rocks, students. This planet is made up of gas and has no solid surface. Like when it comes for Earth, you can see you can stand on the Earth because there is surface on the Earth. But when it comes for Saturn, there is no solid surface, and it takes 30 years to complete one revolution and takes only 10.5 hours to complete one rotation. Like Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 days for 1 year, that is one revolution. But the planet Saturn takes 30 years to orbit the Sun, and it completes one rotation in just 10 hours 30 minutes. And it is a big planet and people can see it without a telescope. And how do we have to identify like without telescope? Because it appears yellow planet in the sky. It appears yellow planet in the sky. So this is all about the planet Saturn, students. Now let us study about the planet Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Which is the 7th planet from the Sun? It is Uranus. A year on Uranus is very long. It takes 84 years for one revolution. Like the Saturn planet which we discussed earlier, that takes 30 years, but this takes 84 years to complete one revolution. And Uranus completes its rotation in just 17 hours. And even this planet has very faint ring system containing 11 rings. The planet Uranus has how many rings? 11 rings, and also these rings are made up of rocks and dust. And the temperature is here minus 350 degree Fahrenheit. As this planet is very far away from the Sun, hence it is very cold on this planet, students. It is very cold in the planet Uranus, as it is very far away from the Sun. Now let us study about the planet Neptune. Planet Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. It is the smallest of all the 4 gas giants. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune is nothing but gas giants. Out of these 4 planets, the smallest planet is Neptune. This planet is also known as windy planet, students. This planet is also known as windy planet. In fact, one of its storms is called the Great Dark Spot. Why is it called as Great Dark Spot? Because it appears as a dark spot on the surface of the planet. If you see the planet, there are dark spots on the planets. Neptune has white clouds that look like stripes. like how we have clouds above the earth in the sky, in the same way, Neptune also has white clouds that looks like stripes. And this rapidly moving clouds in the Neptune is known as scooter. It is known as scooter, students. What is a scooter? Scooter is not which we drive. That's not a scooter here I am talking about. It is a rapidly moving cloud which moves very, very fast. Where does it move? In the planet Neptune. That is nothing but scooter. And this takes 165 years to complete one revolution. It takes 165 years. And it takes just 17 hours to complete one rotation. It takes how many hours to complete one rotation? 17 hours. And it takes 165 years to complete one revolution. Okay. And in fact, it is also very, very cold because the planet is very far away from the sun. So this is all about the 4 planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.